In this video, I'm going to show you how to do VHS effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, create an adjustment layer. In the project panel, right-click and select New Item, then Adjustment Layer. Click OK, then drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline so it covers the entire duration of your clip. Next, open the Lumetri Color panel. Under the Created tab, set Faded Film to 50. Also, set Sharpen to -50 to enhance the image. Now, apply Channel Blur for Color Distortion. Go to Effects panel and search for Channel Blur. Drag it into your adjustment layer. In Effects Controls, set Red Blurriness to 30 and Blur Dimensions to Horizontal. Add another Channel Blur effect to the same adjustment layer. This time, set Blue Blurriness to 30 and add Blur Dimensions to Horizontal. This creates that classic VHS color separation. Now, crop for VHS aspect ratio. Search for crop in the effects panel and apply it to your adjustment layer. In effects controls, set left crop to 14 and right crop to 14. This gives your footage a square VHS style frame. Now, add VHS texture overlay. Find a VHS texture overlay. Many free options are available online. Place the texture clip above your adjustment layer in the timeline. In Effects Controls, go to Opacity, change the blend mode to screen. This removes the black background and keeps only the VHS noise. Now, crop and scale the texture to match your footage if needed. And lastly, soften the edges. Go back to your adjustment layer, then crop effect. Increase edge feather to around 14 so the borders look smoother and less harsh. And that's it. That's how to do VHS effect in Adobe Premiere Pro.